Hello everyone. Welcome to Shivangi's channel, A Little from Everywhere. And today we are here at this place called Rotorua Skyline. And here we're going to do this luge ride. यहाँ पर हम गंडोला राइड भी करेंगे और यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जैसे वाइन टेस्टिंग, गंडोला राइड एंड लूज राइड. तो हम लोग वाइन टेस्टिंग के लिए तो नहीं जा रहे हैं, बट डेफिनेटली वी आर डूइंग द गंडोला राइड एंड द लूज राइड. सी देयर. तो यहाँ पर यही एक्टिविटीज़ हैं: गंडोला, हाई फ्लाई, जिप लाइन, स्काई स्विंग, माउंटेन बाइक, स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर द रेस्टोरेंट एंड पीस. This is the luge track.
This is the best one.
Yeah, but this is not open, so we can't do that one.
The twister of that.
Let's see which one do we get tickets to now. Oh, we're getting into this now. Okay. सारे माउंटेन बाइकर्स हैं और ये जा रहे हैं अपनी बाइक्स लेकर ऊपर गोंडोला में और फिर ऊपर माउंटेन बाइकिंग करने वाले हैं. पर अब हमारी गोंडोला चल पड़ी है. हेलो. सो चारों तरफ हमारे गोंडोलास हैं, सराउंडिंग्स है हमारी. नीचे देखिए बाइकिंग चल रही है लोगों की. तो ऊपर जाकर भी बाइकिंग करते हैं लोग. असेंडिंग अप द हिल. तो ऐसा गंडोला हम लोगों ने बचपन से अपने नैनीताल में किया है कई बार. Going up from Mandital to Snowview. Then we have also done this in Kashmir. Gondola rides are quite famous in Kashmir. And now we're doing it here in New Zealand. तो हर जगह का अपना एक अलग ही चार्म होता है, एक अलग ही खूबसूरती होती है. आ रहे हैं अपना स्पीड में. If you can see them, there they are, coming one after the other. Yeah, but this is another kind of an adventure. That's a gondola crossing. But there you can see. Oh, that's the luge ride. We'll also be doing that. And that's the zip line, जो कि हम करने वाले हैं. तो यहाँ से आपको एक ओवरव्यू मिल गया है इस जगह का. The gondola, the zip line, the luge, everything. So let's be ready for some squeals and shrieks. Yeah. What? Okay, that's scary. That is scary. No wonder there's a child who's squealing in there. Oh, baby, what a torture.
Oh no.
Okay, so these grades are for the levels of bike riders. So grade 6 is the most difficult one. This is the current status. So grade 6 is closed right now because of the strong winds. And this is the biking route, the biking track, depending on the difficulty levels. और पीछे दिख रहा है Rotorua. Skyline ride started in 1981. And now, after all the additions, see the additions to it. And here we are in 2025. And then there we go. But this is for us. Welcome to Roto Vegas. And now we're going for a luge ride. That's how we will be going. Okay. So we're all helmet session going on. So these are the various tracks for the luge ride. Okay, we're done with the luge ride. पूरे पहाड़ों के बीच में से इतना तेज चलाते हुए लेकर आए हैं, बहुत मजा आया. रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर सकते थे क्योंकि दोनों हाथ बिजी थे. अब हम इनमें बैठकर ऊपर जाएंगे. And if you want to do another luge ride, which we will, then we will come for another route. So, बहुत ही exciting था. और हमारे साथ हमारे 2 लूज लटका दिए गए हैं, तो हम अपने पैर स्विंग करते हुए आराम से अब ऊपर की तरफ बैठकर जा रहे हैं. There also. So you either go that way or you go this way, and that's how you come down on the luge track. We took this more scenic route. We took the dinosaur route, so we also had dinosaurs in between. And that is the biking trail. So you have everything going side by side: the biking trail, the luge trail, and this. ये देखो bikers को. Huge stunts. Says scan your helmet here to be able to see your picture here. The one that was clicked with the automatic cameras during the luge ride. Now we're going for another round of luge rides. So one wasn't enough, another one to go. We're already geared up to go to the skyline. And is that the skyline? Zipline. Okay, so we're going to the zipline now. Looking forward to it. Again, cannot record it there. So this is us. So this is the skyline high fly, and I'm gonna get my wings. Go like this. So you have to scan your thing here, and then you have to fill in a waiver form. Once all that formality is complete, you get something like this, the harness, and they're gonna tighten it up once I go down there. As of now, this harness has just been tied up to me loosely. And it is an important mandatory care. Once you go on the zip line, you have to be secure, of course. Jelly beans. This is made up of jelly beans. Wow. This is jelly bean Mona Lisa.
And this is how the weather miraculously changes in New Zealand. As soon as we stepped out of the jelly bean store, it was raining and so windy that all the rides were suspended. So we were just thankful that we had managed to do everything almost. We missed the swing, but chalta. Wrapping up this video with some enchanting shots of the beautiful landscape of New Zealand. Have a look at them, enjoy the view, and again at the end you will see that the weather changed terribly by the time we entered Auckland.